Clover's journey began in 1898, when farmers in the Natal Midlands met to discuss starting a butter factory. They formed Natal Creamery Limited, based on cooperative principles, and Joseph Baynes built the first butter factory on his farm in 1899. Since there were no legal frameworks for cooperatives, the company was registered under the Natal Companies Act, with H. Blaker as its first chairman. In 1901, Natal Creamery Ltd partnered with Joseph Baynes Limited to market fresh milk in Durban under the name Model Dairy. Though the partnership ended that same year, Natal Creamery Limited expanded, distributing milk in Pietermaritzburg and later sending milk daily to Johannesburg in 1903. By 1906, they acquired the Johannesburg Milk Supply Company, Johannesburg's largest milk supplier, gaining a bigger market share. With legal changes in 1922, the company re-registered under the Cooperative Societies Act. By 1932, it operated in 32 centres across South Africa. In 1934, the company fully embraced the cooperative model and became National Cooperative Dairies Limited, NCD. The company continued to grow and, in 1994, rebranded as Clover SAPTY Limited, following South Africa's transition away from apartheid. In 1995, Clover entered a joint venture with Danone, and by 1997, Clover Holding Ltd was created as the holding company for Clover SAPTY Limited. In 2003, the company transitioned from a cooperative to a public company, renamed Clover Industries Ltd. Further expansions included partnerships with Fonterra from New Zealand and increased ownership in Clover Beverages Limited. In 2010, Clover restructured, allowing non-milk producers to hold shares and listed on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. In 2013, Clover Waters Pty Limited was formed, expanding its beverage portfolio. Finally, in 2019, Clover delisted from the JSE after being acquired by Milko, an investment group led by Israel's Central Bottling Company.